Miss Herzog's class is hosting us today, and so I'm going to pass the microphone over to them.
We dance. Good morning, my name is Ella. We join us into the American flag. Ready, begin. Good morning, my name is Hayden. Please join us in the salute to the Oklahoma State flag. Attention, salute, pledge. Garfield School Crew. Say we're playing because we are Garfield Water. Ready, begin. Good morning, my name is Andrew. Please join us in the moment of silence. Ready, begin. Good morning, my name is Nancy. Please join us in the Garfield School. Good morning, my name is Nancy. Please join us in the
There's a camera. Thank you for joining us for the morning assembly that will pass this assembly to Ms. Kowalski.
Give it a hand, and the rest of their class is coming up to join them, and they are going to do a showcase for us today. And make sure you're quiet. You're a good audience.
All right, guys, what was yesterday? So we did a little poem for the 100th day of school, and we hope you enjoy it. All right, that was it. Thank you.
All right, good job, first graders. You're 100 days smarter. All right, turn, Waylon. You want to lay this off? There you go. Be careful getting down. All right. It was the 100th day of school. Did you do some fun activities in your classroom? Some kids, some classes did, mostly the younger classes. Had a lot of 100-day snacks, didn't you? And lots. I saw you with your little necklaces on with the 100 Fruit Loops. All right. I told you there was something special about February. Do you remember what I said? It's Black History Month. It is, and we've been learning about African Americans who have made a contribution to U.S. history. So yesterday, Coach told you about an athlete. Do you remember who it was? No. It was a boxer, wasn't it? Somebody boxed. Today, Coach, where are you? Who'd you tell him about? Joe Louis? Joe Louis, yesterday. Today, another African American who's made a significant impact on the U.S. history played baseball. Ah, yeah, very good, very good. Okay, Jackie Robinson, and there is a book about him in Mrs. Meyer's library, I'm sure, right? All right, at Roosevelt Library. Oh, it's here. All right, we have several books here if you want to learn about him. But he played baseball. Robinson became the first black athlete to play Major League Baseball in the 20th century when he took the field for the Brooklyn Dodgers in 1947. 1947 he played. There is a movie about him too called 42. If you haven't seen that, it's a good movie. All right, so that's someone who made a impact on U.S. history that was African American. So he said everybody should be able to play, and so then he got to play for the Dodgers. And now there is a lot of different people playing baseball, right? All races, not just white men. It's all different people playing baseball. And so that he helped change that. All right, today is Friday. I don't know the weather, not sure about recess. I'll let you know as the day continues. Coach and I had a small little wager if it was going to snow or not. I think I won because I didn't see any snow. Did you guys? No. He was asleep, he said. He said it snowed while he was asleep. I don't know about that. I don't see any snow. All right, we do have two guest teachers in the building today. Everybody welcome Miss Paul. Say good morning, Miss Paul. She's going to be here for Miss Huddleston this morning, and Miss Huddleston will be here this afternoon. And then Miss Thompson, Miss Thompson, everybody say good morning, Miss Thompson. Good morning. Miss Thompson was an amazing soccer player in her high school days. She's not very old, she's just a little bit out of high school, but she played soccer, scored lots of goals for Ponca Wildcats ladies soccer team, and so she's going to be for Miss Cox today. So welcome, thank you guys for filling in. All right, have an awesome Friday, and I will see you at lunch and recess. So get your teachers.
Watch out, pizza.